this video, I'm making for you a Fettuccine Alfredo. So here's the ingredients. So here's the ingredients right here. Some fresh chopped garlic, some Parmesan cheese, some butter, some fresh Parmesan, a little bit of salt and pepper, some fresh fettuccine that I got from Restaurant Depot, and I got some parsley and grape tomatoes for garnish. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I almost forgot, and also my heavy cream. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go into our boiling water that's been salted. I don't put oil in the water because I don't want the oil to coat the vegetables. I don't want the oil to coat the pasta because that's not going to make the sauce cling well. All right, so let me get my pan is already hot, but I hadn't turned it off. So I'm gonna cook my pasta in here. Alright, so go in with a little butter. A little bit of garlic. And you don't want the garlic to start turning brown, so now I'm going in with my heavy cream. A little bit of salt and pepper. Going in with about half of my Parmesan cheese. And now I'm just going to thoroughly mix everything together. Just keep it there. Go get it. So my pasta should be cooked. So I bought fresh pre-cooked pasta. I don't like mine dry. Flame. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the pasta water. A little bit more salt and pepper. A little bit more parm. And then I'm going to finish it off with some butter. And that's going to make it nice and rich and nice and creamy. And so that's it. Really fast recipe. You know, great for a date night, great when you got family coming over or guests. You know, and it doesn't cost much to make. It probably costs maybe $6 to make this whole meal. But this is something that you'll probably go to an Italian restaurant, pay upwards of $15 or more for it. Alright, so now I'm just going to bring it over here. Matter of fact, I'm going to add just a little bit more pasta water. See, the pasta water gives it a little bit of flavor. And it keeps it nice and creamy because the pasta water has starch already in it. Right, so now, bring it over here. Just gonna do this to give it a little bit of height. Now I'm going to take my fresh parm and grate a little bit on top. A little bit of fresh chopped parsley. And some grape tomatoes for garnish, just for a little bit of color. Alright. So there you go, Fettuccine Alfredo. Alright. So thanks for checking out another one of my videos. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Also check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I'm still working on my TikTok channel, but it is going to be up and running soon. Alright. So once again, here you go. Fettuccine Alfredo, really simple, it took about 5 minutes. And on that note, once again, smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you on another video. God bless, peace.